First Aid in Woodwork, a cautionary tale. Welcome DIY enthusiasts. Meet Sam, our fun-loving woodwork wizard who might be better with bandages than benches. Ever found yourself asking, what could possibly go wrong? Well, grab your tool belt and let's find out as Sam dives into the perfect balance of creation and caution. Picture this, Sam, hammer in hand, when, oops, a rookie mistake creates an instantly memorable moment. Through this merry mishap, learn how to spot hidden hazards and prevent common woodwork slip-ups. Laugh along as Sam shares how a bandage became his new best friend. Before another plank is cut or nail is pounded, let's explore first aid must-knows. From handling minor cuts to dealing with splinters, Sam's upbeat advice ensures you're always prepared for an unexpected DIY daredevil moment. After all, the true mark of a craftsman is how fast you can whip out the first aid kit. Accidents happen, but preparation is key. Sam demonstrates essential first aid moves while reminding us all, a safer workshop is a happier workshop. With these tips, embrace your creativity fearlessly, knowing safety has your back. Sam invites you to like, subscribe, and share your own DIY first aid tales in the comments below. Ready to turn woodworking blunders into wisecracks? Join our crafty community today and let's create without fear, because every masterpiece starts with safe hands.